In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a buyer persona in HubSpot. Now to do this, first you want to open your dashboard, then go to the top right and click on the settings cogwheel to open up your settings. And then over here on the left, scroll down a bit until you see properties under data management. So click on that. And then from here under the top where it says select an object, you want to click on here and select contact properties, not contract, but contact. Click on that, and then you want to go to search properties and you want to type in persona. When you find persona, you want to click on it just like this where it says persona. And then in here, you want to go to field type on the top left. And this is where you can add another persona, okay? So I'm just going to click on add another persona. And of course, from here, you can add a photo of your persona. So here, as you can see, it says build your buyer persona step by step using their persona generator. So if you want to do that, you want to go and of course, click on that, which is going to access the Make My Persona tool, which they actually offer on their website. So if you want to, you can do it super simply. Just go in here and type in your ideal customer, and it's going to help you generate this persona. So for example, I'm going to type in tech enthusiast like this, and I'm going to press enter. And there we go, that's going to be it. And as you can see, you can of course put in a bunch of things to actually allow you to describe your ideal persona. And then down here, you'll see it's going to give you like all the different questions, answers, stuff like that. And you can just go and use this as kind of your persona, okay? So that's essentially how to do this. But if you know it already, if you have it in mind already, you can just go and upload a photo over here, give it a name. I'm going to do tutorial. Now, these things which do have the star next to it are required fields which you have to fill in, but some of these actually aren't, or most of them are not, and they're just optional. So for example, tutorial is going to be my persona without anything else, but of course you can put in roles, goals, challenges, demographics, story, etc. I'm now gonna hit the save button over here, and there we go. As you can see, your persona has been created. Okay, so that's how to make a buyer persona. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.